Hello and welcome. This is Monica. And before we begin, gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow, natural, deep breath in and gently breathe out. One more time, breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now just notice how you feel this morning. Maybe you don't feel much at all. Not really happy, not really sad, just blank. A kind of emotional silence or numbness or disconnection. At first, understand this clearly. This is completely normal. Sometimes, after stress, overthinking, or emotional overload, we don't feel too much. We feel nothing. And that is okay. Right now, you don't need to force any emotion. You don't need to feel happy. You don't need to feel anything specific at all. Just slowly bring your attention to your body. Feel your head, your face, your shoulders, your hands, your chest. Just notice the sensations. Even if it feels very subtle, there is no need to change anything. Now gently say this to yourself inside your mind. I am here. I am present. This is enough for this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in and gentle breathe out. And imagine something very simple, like a sunlight entering in a quiet room. Slowly, softly, without pressure. You don't have to feel it strongly. Imagine it is touching your body, touching your face, your hands. And even if you don't feel anything right now, that is okay. Healing does not always feel like emotion. Sometimes it feels like stillness first. Now stay with your breath for a few more moments. In and out. No pressure to feel better. No pressure to feel anything. Just being here is enough. And softly remind yourself, I don't need to rush my feelings. I am safe even in this quiet state. I am returning to my own self in my own time. I am safe here at this moment. Now take one more slow breath in and a long breath out. Inhale calm Exhale pressure. Inhale peace. Exhale stress. And when you are ready, slowly bring your attention and your awareness back to your surrounding. Listen to the sound of your room. And when you are actually ready, gently open your eyes. And thank yourself for practicing this meditation with me today. Thank you and namaste. See you in the next session.